Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the frequently asked questions on the Royal Match application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. If you want to find the frequently asked questions, go to the settings icon and here you can find different options. Go to the support option under the save your progress, the parental control and the terms and privacy. If you want any questions or if you want to search different information about the app, just click that option, for example the support, and you can find different information. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.